Hello guys, it's me again. I'm going to present to you our smoke detector. We can integrate this in our intruder alarm system. This is our smoke detector, wireless, battery operated, and it will give you a notification if it detects any activation from fire via app and through our panel as well. Okay, let's try it. And as you can see, that's the message from our app. So if you're away, it will give you a notification. And this is the panel. All you have to do is just press the button, then just give your code, input your code, then it will show you which zone. Then to clear it, just input the code again. So this is very useful for residential or small places that just needs a basic smoke detection that can be integrated in your intruder alarm and on a economical way. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye for now.